How to use promo code in Bolt app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use promo code in Bolt app. In order to use the promo code, first you will need to apply the promo code. You may also do it right now or during the checkout. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Bolt application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you will be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those bars to access the side menu. Once you open it, you will be able to see the promotion option here. Simply tap on it and now inside you will be able to locate enter promo code. Simply tap on the option and in this text box here now you will need to enter the promo code. Simply tap on it and enter the promo code. Once you have entered your promo code, now tap on the apply button at the very bottom. Also ensure that your promo code is not expired. If that's the case, you'll not be able to redeem or apply for it. After redeeming the code, you'll be able to use it during the checkout now. Also, if you want to redeem it during checkout, then you will need to simply come to the home page and here request a ride and then proceed to the payment section. There you'll be able to locate the promo code field where you will need to enter the same code, and after that you will need to confirm the ride. After that you will be able to apply that promo code in your checkout. So this is how you can use promo code in Bolt app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.